Here's a fake moon. And there's the entity stalking. This is the third time the Ontario police is why I'm capturing video, because they keep flying over me over and over and over again. And it is no mistake, this is the fake moon right here hovering over the edge of the Ontario Town Square Amphitheater. Right? No longer library. No longer, it's not over the El Bacone, this building over here where the airport is stalking. And Mike LORENZ is maintaining helicopter activities, stalking and harassing and psychologically torturing, also sexually violating. Is engaging in sexual assault and battery on behalf of the Ontario police. They're sitting in the vehicle, engaging in surveillance and furtherance of murder with a police department, which is their pattern of conduct. The people of the state that are terrorists. The police department is being disbanded. That's the third time they're flying back and forth over me while I am in the midst of capturing screenshots while the entity is stalking at 665 Yale Avenue this morning, while the entity is stalking at what is the Deco Richardson Family Memorial at G Street in Laurel, while the entity is stalking here at the Ontario Town Square, and I'm showing you the license plates of those that are subject to federal prison engaging in stalking with that police department. The Ontario police are flying over my head over and over and over again. This is the third time under the fake moon that's specifically over me, not moving while the rest of these demons are moving all around, pacing all around me. I am the target, and I am a target of a police department that's being disbanded. Okay, they are very much obsessed with my vagina. This is what you need to know about Mike LORENZ. They are homosexual men who are violent sex offenders. They prey upon women, but they are not actually interested in women. They are cult members. They are demon possessed. They're engaged in criminal activity. They are maintaining criminal surveillance and not engaging in law enforcement. And that's what's behind the very clear, what you've witnessed is clear stalking by this agency and their behavior, which is evident of demon possession. That's going to be prosecuted in a court as mental illness. This is P.O.C. It's currently 10:47 p.m. This is the entity that's engaging in this while the fake moon remains over me. And that's the same crime scene at the library. The fake moon over me while these demons are flying over the top of my head and flying in circles. And this is, again, beyond any sort of coincidence. Here's my shadow on the ground here. Here's my shadow up here on the wall here. Multiple shadows over here. Fake moon over the top of my head. They're demon possessed, okay? They have lost their mind with regard to the playing in witchcraft. Playing in demonic spirits. They're demon possessed, and you're witnessing me embarrass them because they are absurdly psychotic and they are not even able to control their impulses with regard to wanting to engage in violence against me. But I keep documenting it, and they're being disbanded, and everybody's stalking me with that agency. Like the people of the state are going to prison. P.O.C. It's currently 10:48 p.m. and everybody that I'm documenting, including the demon that's at Yale and Campus Avenue, threatening me to call the stalkers. He's stating, I'm going to call the police on you, while he's stalking me with the police, including where he lives. Okay? You're going to prison for these things. These are acts of terrorism. The entity is mentally ill. That's what's stalking me. They are mentally ill. They're all stalking. They are the people of the state. They're stalkers. P.O.C.